am I going to die because this power plant 50 years? Have your ideas ever been challenged by the situations you've been placed in? My name is Jamie, and I've been questioning my stance on climate change since 2016. I was born in Longmont, and I grew up there until I was 18. I was surrounded by individuals who cared for the world, and they taught me that climate change was a real threat. As a community, Boulder County seemed very eco-friendly, and this shaped the way I am today. Moving to Platteville has enforced these ideas. People have completely different lifestyles out here. Many of their jobs focus on hurting the environment, but it's not their fault. Platteville is home to Anadarko, which is a petroleum corporation. Many of their fracking sites litter the town, and some are not even more than 5 miles away from my house. Platteville has blocked bans on these types of fracking operations in the interest of the companies. Behind my house is the reason why many Weld County residents have power. Fort St. Vrain is owned by Xcel Energy. They produce electricity by burning natural gases. Take in mind, this is all happening less than 5 miles away from my house. When you hear all of this, you'd expect some barren wasteland, right? But Platteville can just be as beautiful as any other part of Colorado. While Weld County heavily relies on agriculture and livestock, I can see its economy moving towards oil. My dad owns a trucking company, and I know that his job hurts the environment, but it's not to the degree of what corporations do. I worry a lot that he might be the one that pays the price in the future instead of them. I worry about my family's health and future. While Platteville is a beautiful place, I feel like an environmental outcast in a sea of individuals with different mindsets. Living in Platteville, Colorado has exposed me to many different viewpoints on climate change. It has exposed me to all of the jobs that people work in fields related to oil, such as fracking or transportation. Even if my dad works a job that might not be considered environmentally friendly, I still plan to live a lifestyle that's against what people in Platteville think of. I want our future generation to be able to have a planet that is just as beautiful as it is today.